make a small apartment look luxurious on any budget. Okay, friend, picture this. A small apartment that feels rich, cozy, and intentional. Sounds impossible? Nope. Luxury isn't about money. It's about choices. Feeling. Mood. Ready to turn meh into wow without breaking the bank? Let me show you how designers really do it. Before buying anything, pause. What vibe do you want? Calm hotel? Chic city loft? Cozy modern nest? Luxury always starts with clarity. When everything has a purpose, the space feels expensive. Random buys feel cluttered. Intentional pieces feel designed. See the difference? Here's the secret nobody wants to hear. Remove stuff. Yep. Luxury breathes. Too many items scream chaos. Fewer pieces whisper confidence. Clear surfaces. Open corners. Suddenly the room feels bigger, calmer, richer. Sometimes the most luxurious thing you can buy is nothing. Want instant polish? Stick to 2 or 3 colors. That's it. Neutrals work magic. Creams, warm grays, soft beiges. Add 1 accent color and repeat it. Boom. Cohesion. Your space suddenly feels curated, not crowded. That's luxury psychology right there. Overhead lights alone? Big mistake. Lamps are your best friend. Table lamps, floor lamps, warm bulbs, soft glow. Lighting sets emotion. Harsh light feels cheap. Warm light feels expensive. Want that cozy, high-end glow? Layer your lighting like a pro.
Trust me on this.
Curtains are game changers. Hang them high, almost to the ceiling. Let them kiss the floor. Even budget curtains look custom when styled right. They stretch the walls visually. Taller ceilings, bigger windows, more drama, more luxury. Luxury loves texture. Linen, velvet,
Boucle, wood.
ceramic. Mix them. Even neutral spaces feel alive with texture. A soft throw, a woven pillow, a matte vase. Close your eyes. Feel the space. That sensory layer, that's what makes it feel expensive. Blank walls feel unfinished. Art adds soul. And no, it doesn't have to be pricey. Prints, photography, even framed fabric. Go big if you can. One strong piece beats 10 tiny ones. Art tells a story, and luxury spaces always have a story. Small space trick? Mirrors. They bounce light. Double visual space. Make rooms feel brighter and larger. Choose simple frames. Or go bold and sculptural. Either way, mirrors instantly elevate. It's like adding square footage without paying rent.
Who wouldn't want that?
plants equals life, even faux ones. A tall plant in a corner adds height and softness. Green breaks up neutrals beautifully. Luxury homes always feel alive. No plants feels flat. One good plant, suddenly the room feels styled and loved. Every luxe room has a star, a statement chair, a bold rug, a beautiful coffee table. Just one. Build around it. Let it shine. You don't need everything to be special. One hero piece creates impact and confidence. Stacks of books, odd numbers, space between objects. Styling isn't clutter, it's balance. Give items room to breathe. Group things with intention. Ask yourself, does this add beauty? If yes, keep it. If not, let it go. Luxury isn't just visual, it's emotional. Scent sets mood instantly. Candles, diffusers, clean, subtle fragrances. When a space smells good, it feels cared for. And that's luxury. Always. Here's the real truth. A clean space always looks expensive, no matter the budget. Make the bed, clear counters, tidy daily. Calm spaces feel intentional. Intentional spaces feel luxurious. Simple habits, big impact. So here's the takeaway, friend. Luxury isn't price tags. It's editing, lighting, texture, intention. It's how a space makes you feel when you walk in,
Calm, proud.
at home. And the best part? You can create that feeling on any budget, every single day.